Hi everyone, this is the Pool Hygiene Doctor, back again for another season of tips on how you can save money on your swimming pool. Here in the East, many of my customers are very excited about opening their pools early, but you can save hundreds by doing it yourself. So beginning the opening process, make sure your cover is as dry as possible and free of any foreign debris. Many companies charge exorbitant amount of money just to take your cover off. If it's wet and has leaves or other debris on top, they'll charge even more. Once the cover is clear, put a garden hose inside your pool, bringing the water level up so that it is halfway through the skimmers. Having your water level high will make it much easier when you pull your cover. As your pool is filling, go around and remove the springs from the anchors using a cover tool, or as I like to call it, a magic wand. Simply cover the anchor with the end of the cover tool, twist, and the spring will pop off. Next, using an Allen wrench, screw down the anchors so they are flush to the ground. When finished, they should look like a bunch of pennies around your pool. Once all the anchors are secured and the water level is halfway up the skimmer, it's time to remove the cover. Again, remember, when removing the cover, make sure all the water and debris has been taken off or it will end up in your pool. As shown in the demonstration, the key to removing a cover is to pull it back only 2 to 3 feet at a time. Each section is then folded on top of the previous section, sort of like an accordion. This will make it easier to fold and, more importantly, to apply next fall. Once the cover is off, it can be rolled up from one end and put in your cover bag. If you have a solid safety cover, many owners like to stand it on its end to let the water drain out, or simply spread it out and let it dry in the sun. Just don't forget, fold the cover in sections before you put it away. Thanks for listening to the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and I'll see you at the pool.